Here is the question. Suppose this edge m and this edge n. So the line integral f dot dr c according to Green's theorem can be written as del n by del x minus del m by del y into dx dy. Surface integral. Line integral can be changed in surface integral according to Green's theorem. Now replacing the values, you see that if you draw graph of these three, then you have this line is x plus y equals to 1. Here will be 0 0, here will be 1 0, and here will be 0 comma 1. Now del n by del x, we have to difference this with respect to x. This will be minus 6y, and minus, after minus del m by del y, this will be minus 8, and this minus will be plus 8 dx dy. Now first we put the limit for y. This is a graph. Take an arbitrary point on this, then just draw a line, vertical line, because we are going to put the limit for y. So you see y goes from 0 to this line. This line, for this line y equals to 1 minus x. So here will be 1 minus x. Now we put the limit for x. You see that this line goes from 0 to 1. So here will be 0 to 1. Now integrating with respect to y first. This gives us minus 3y square plus 8y. Limit will be 0 to 1 minus x. And there will be one integration remaining, 0 to 1 for dx. Now this can be written as 0 to 1, and here giving the values 0, putting 0 will be 0. So 3 1 minus x square plus 8 1 minus x. Now this dx can be written as minus d1 minus x. Now integration is easy. If we integrate this thing with respect to 1 minus x, then this will be minus 1 minus x cube by 3. 3 gets cancelled, and thereafter 1 minus x square by 2. So here will be 4 1 minus x square. Now here there is a minus sign outside, and limit is from 0 to 1. First we put 1. If we put 1, then this whole thing will be 0, and thereafter we give a minus sign and put 0. Putting 0, and this minus becomes plus. Putting 0 gives us, here will be 1, here will be 1, and here will be minus 1, here will be 4, and this gives us 3. So 3 is the right answer. Option B is correct.